كيف حالك؟ مرحبا واحد اتنين تلاتة akala nyo lokal no it's of your Filipina. So we're going to Dubai for 3 days and 2 nights, guys. Right now we're going to the desert safari and we have different kind of activities like ATV riding, dune bashing, camel riding, and we'll be having live entertainments. But we didn't do ATV riding, guys, because it's quite pricey. And here we did desert boarding. So slide lang po kayo. Inside here is a dinner buffet, and there are live entertainments like dancing, fire dancing, and many more. And guys, this is just a continuation of our camel riding, which I really enjoy. And ito yung dune bashing from inside the car. We're from different countries like Philippines, China, UAE, Korea, and our driver is a Pakistani, which is a very professional one. This activity is quite thrilling and very exciting, guys. So you really have to wear your seatbelt and keep safe talaga kasi mapapaa ka. Yes, it's very fun to experience. And these are my friends na nag-enjoy din sobra. And for second day guy, we did go to the Miracle Garden, one of the largest flower garden in the world. And ito yung bus stop. And they said na libre daw yung mga birthday celebrants. So try natin kung makakalibre tayo. For regular guests, they will be paying 100 dirham or 1,500. At pag birthday celebrant, free lang po. So nakalibre po tayo. Tingnan niyo po yung ticket to. 0. Wala po tayong binayaran dyan. Kaya sobrang ganda dito sa Dubai. Ang daming free. Look, FYI, there are 150 million flowers and 120 variety of flowers here at the Miracle Garden. Sobrang nagutom po tayo, kaya kumain muna tayo ng cake. And nagdala din po ako ng mga drinks like Coke, water, and my favorite na puto pao. Sabi nila bawal daw magdala ng mga pagkain, but pwede naman po, basta i-hide nyo lang. Itago nyo lang sa gwardiya. So, this is a budget-friendly trip. And tingnan nyo guys yung harapan ko. Sobrang ganda, very refreshing and relaxing to watch. You can take a selfie from anywhere. Chill lang. These are different colors of umbrella, and pupunta tayo sa isang palasyo with a very big elephant. Mapa-amaze talaga kayo sa pagkakagawa nito. It's really very fun to watch. Mapapawaw ka talaga, guys. And as you can see from my front, there's an Emirates plane, a clock form from different kinds of flowers. So mag-selfie muna tayo kasi sobrang ganda po ng tanawin. Mamangha ka talaga. And guys, this is all for today. I hope you enjoy my